So on my next passport, I'm going to apply for Jamaican and Greek citizenship.
All right, so today Hannah and I are going to get our passport application certified, and we're also going to take some passport photographs because Hannah is a first-time applicant for a Jamaican.
Good morning, though. Hi, neighbors. Continue.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world, from me and my house. So as I was saying, so Hannah is a first-time applicant for a Jamaican passport. I will have to do a new application because on this occasion, even though I have previously had Jamaican passports, I have had a change in my marital status. And there are certain conditions that have to be met in order for you to do a simplified renewal. So as a married woman, the renewal process is a little less straightforward for me. I am going to have to use the standard application form to update my name, and I'm going to have to present my marriage certificate along with the other documents that I will need. So the online form is fillable, so I'm going to complete that with my new name, that's my married name, and I'm going to include particulars from my old passport as well. I'm also checking Hannah's form to ensure that she has all the fields completed correctly. After we do this, we can print the forms and then we go to the mall, to the photo studio to get our pictures taken, you know, looking all dolled up and everything. But before we do that, I'm out of money. I need some cash. So before coming to take our photos, we checked the back of the application form that has the guidelines, and it says that people who are dark-skinned or brown-skinned should take their photographs against a light-colored background, and they're supposed to wear contrasting color clothing, no white. So Hannah is beautiful in brown, and I'm pretty in pink. Come Hannah, call it. That looks like me. That's yours. Yeah. Looks like you.
Let me tell you this, neighbors. I think I'm going to change my nationality to Greek because it's the Greeks do the Opa thing, right? Where it's a tradition to break plates and they say Opa because as Tina leave a while ago and the babies are there, plate break. And I cannot tell you how much plate break in the last month. I cannot tell you how many plates, how many bowls, at least 1 to 2 a week. Believe you me. So on my next passport, I'm going to apply for Jamaican and Greek citizenship because clearly I am well soaked into their tradition of breaking plates. But that's not why we're here. I'm going to give you a quick thought for the day, and the thought for the day is that you should remember you are not selfish. That's the thought. You are not selfish. And what I mean by that is not everything and everybody you're going to mesh and gel with properly. Selfish is the only thing in the world, only food in the world that I know is so versatile and it go well with everything. It work with everybody. Every food loves saltfish. Aki loves saltfish. If you're a bean, whether you're butter bean or baked bean, saltfish go well with you because saltfish, everybody just loves saltfish. Not even Jesus himself, everybody did accept. So remember today, you may feel like you're being rejected or you don't fit in. You may feel like you're a square in a round hole or yeah, something like that. So, yeah man, that's how the saying goes. You feel like you're a square peg in a round hole. You feel like it just, you know, don't fit in sometimes in some places. Don't feel too bad. Sometimes better to stand out. Because you're not selfish. You don't go well with everything. You don't go with everybody. Just ensure that you're on the right side. You're on God's side, you're doing the right thing. And let everything else sort itself out. So, going back inside, I have not seen my passport in probably 6 years that I've been married. I'm not going to tell you that it's Tina lost it. or when I was moving, my mother misplaced it. I'm not going to say that on YouTube. I just did though. Anyway, back to Tina and Hannah getting their passport sorted out.
Alright, so we are leaving the mall and now we're gonna run a couple errands and then we take the pictures and the certificates, the application forms to get certified. So you've heard Paul talk about this thing, Patty and a joke thing. For a family of 7 plus my mother, 8, $3,500 per meal. Yeah. 92. 10 beef, 1 cheese. 1 cheese, 3 coconut and 3 juice. Alright. Can I get a bag for them here? No? Alright. This way. Seriously tasty. Oh. So as I'm editing this video, I am listening back to myself and I realized that I went on a total rant that lasted like 10-15 minutes right into the parking lot. When I got into the taxi, the poor taxi man never stood a chance. I just kept going. All right, so we picked up our patties and I had a little rant a while ago because I felt like come on. Do better for your customers. We're here supporting you through thick and thin. Anyway, we reach church now. You know all the things that are already neighbors. You know, sometimes you just have to kind of vent a little bit, and when you clear off your chest, you're good again. And that was me. I was good again. But we got to church and we had JP, who is a member of our church, sign our application forms and the back of the photos. Tina. Alright. Just press this and it stop. So because Hannah is not yet an adult, there are 2 sections of the form that I have to sign for her, section C and E. One is to give her consent to hold a Jamaican passport, and the other is to declare that she has not previously held or applied for a passport. Alright, so that's that for that. We've gotten our documents certified. We've gotten our photograph certified. Now you need 2 photographs. One of them should be certified and the other one should be plain. The back of it should be plain. So you can have a list of people. You get the instructions on the form who can certify your photograph and your application form. And they have to be known to you, or you have to be known to them rather, for at least a year. So I decided to come to my church where we have JPs, ministers, the whole shebang of people who can vouch and verify for me. You're gonna need somebody like that who can vouch and verify for you. Okay.
Hey.
Oh, you look so defeated.
I feel wasted, man. I'm really tired.
I brought treats for you.
Really? You brought it for me?
I brought it for you and children. So, look what I got.
What's this order?
Who knows what this is? Yeah.
Surtees pastry.
I hope it's good.
I wonder if it's the same surtees from YouTube.
Multiple income streams, that was it.
Politics watch. But the Jamaicans will know.
So we made arrangements to visit the passport office later that week, and because Hannah is a minor, she has to present in person. So we rented a car so we could go to the passport office and do back to school shopping.
Yeah. It's hot, right? Sit down, let me.
So after we did our journey, good. Guess what happened? Oh no, guess what happened? Guess no?
I need this, right?
Okay. So we're there driving for like half an hour. And then I'm like, hold on. I don't have my passport. How am I gonna be renewing my passport if I don't have my passport to surrender?
That's actually not how it went. What she said is, she looked at me and said, did you put the passport in the thing? When she never told me to put it in there, you know. But she asked me if I put her old passport in there. So,
Because I asked him that question because he was putting together all the documents and the passport was right there. It was right there.
well, we'll have it now.
I don't know about the turning. I don't know if it can turn in. Lord have mercy. This cannot be. This can't be.
Okay, so now we're gonna split up. It's a double vlog day.
So we're going to split up.
Because I'm going to the bookstore.
And I'm also going to the bookstore.
You're going to the passport office.
I'm not going to the passport office based on that line.
You're supposed to try.
I'm not going to try. No. It's almost 1:30. There's a long line outside.
Yeah, the line look real sticky. So we're going to the bookstore, right? Alright, bookstore, here we come.
So we're going to have to wheel and come again with this visit to the passport office, re-strategize, maybe come a little earlier, whatever. But it's not a wasted day because we have lots of back to school shopping to do. So catch you in the next vlog.
Focus, bookstore.